Welcome to RM Sotheby's. Today we're in a wonderful Bicester heritage location, bit misty weather, proper British weather to present one of the most iconic British racing car of the 50s. I named the Aston Martin DB3S. This precise car was the Earl's Court Motor Show car in 1955, and after that the car remained in the UK and raced in VSCC and other races in Silverstone, Snetterton, other beautiful tracks around the UK. And then it's remained in the family of Mr. Forshaw for long period of time, and that's why this car comes to us in such a beautiful and wonderful condition. This car is powered with a very iconic 6-cylinder twin cam engine, 3-litre. It's basically the ideal powertrain that most of the manufacturers in the 50s used. If you look at Maserati with the 300S, if you look at Ferrari with the 121 LM, if you look at obviously Aston Martin here and Jaguar, not to name other competitors, this was the ideal architecture for sports 2-litre back in those days. But the competition was extremely fierce. Having said that, this is one of only 20 cars built for privateer, and this as such, she's also eligible to many events such as Mid-Emilia, a Monaco History Grand Prix in Series C, Le Mans Classic, Colorado Grand, Goodwood, and many others. This wonderful 1955 Aston Martin DB3S chassis 111 is due to be offered in our Monaco sale on April 25th this year. Do come, do register. This is a wonderful opportunity.